Alright, welcome back to my page. I didn't figure out a new intro, but anyway, I got another new review. So, I got a, Mexican snack box. The Mexico snack box or something. So, a bunch of snacks in here. I did open it up. One, I wasn't gonna do an unboxing again and get it taken down. Or, get a good qualified from the thing to be monetized. And also because it came with a link. But it was because of the link, obviously I want it to be cool. I got mango, by the way. So let's just go off with these onion ring things. Lemon. So I've had something similar to these before in another snack box. Before we do it, I'm gonna do everything in one video. Eight out of 10. Next up, I'm just going take them out one by one. I think these are spicy coquilla chips. So, yeah. And then I'll give the drink after that. After this. Really real looking coquilla chips. But not really spicy. At least for me. Now, I may have to do a second video, unfortunately, and together. I mean, okay. Now the green, the mango. I don't know how to say. I don't know if you say with a J or with an H, but mango, Doritos. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. That's good. That's really good.